Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create these meringue pops. To make your meringue, grab some pasteurized egg. You can usually find pasteurized eggs in the carton. Add some salt and start whisking away on high speed. I'll have the link to the recipe in the description box below, or it'll also be listed at the very bottom. Once you have those nice stiff peaks, add in your icing sugar in batches. So I've got the first batch here, and I've basically divided it in 3 and adding it in slowly. Pop your whisk back on low speed so you don't get a face full of icing sugar. And let it go for about a minute or so it's nice and incorporated, and then add in your second batch. Follow the same steps, add in your third batch. On the third batch I let it run for about a couple of minutes, about 3 minutes or so, until it reached this nice stiff texture. Once you have that, you can pop in your colour. I've got some gel food colour. Ideally you would want to use powdered food colour with meringue, and you want to very gently fold it through. You don't want to stir it because you don't want to beat out any of that beautiful air that we pumped into it. Once it's coloured, pop some into your piping bag. I'm only adding it in half, and then on the other half of my piping bag I'm adding in pink, and I'm making sure not to contaminate the sides. That way when we pipe out, it'll be a two-toned rosette. Don't fill your bag more than about 2/3 or half of the way, otherwise it'll be a little bit hard to pipe it out. Give it a twist to seal off the top, and then go ahead and pipe your rosettes on your cake pop stick. I have a baking tray here lined with some baking paper. It's non-stick. And make sure that the rosette is well and truly on your stick so it's nice and glued on there. It also makes it easier to hold down the stick as well. Sometimes it can dance around, makes it a bit difficult to pipe. Once you've got your meringue pops, use the rest to make little meringue kisses. I've used a 1M piping tip here for the rosettes, and those ones, for this particular little meringue kisses, I've used a number 32 tip, I believe. I'll have those listed in the description box below anyway, along with the recipe. Here I've got some edible pearls in gold that I'm dusting onto the meringue pops, but not the kisses. I've gone in as well with larger gold edible pearls. Grab your tray, pop it into the oven, preheated to 70 degrees Celsius, so it's literally just on keep warm. I have the door left ajar at all times because you don't want to bake them, you just want to dry them out. I let this go for about 4 hours, and I close the door, close the oven, and let it rest like that overnight so they're nice and dry. Grab them from the meringue, do not grab them from the stick and pull up, you could break it. So make sure you grab it from the meringue when you pull up, and they should come undone very easily. And that is how you make really sweet little meringue pops, or meringues on a stick. Great for cake decorating, but also great for giving away as kind of gifts at the end of a party. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and the recipe will be in the description box below this video. I'll see you guys next time. I do actually plan on using these exact ones in a cake tutorial coming up, so do look out for that one. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload a new video every Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.